doing the best they can. I mean, wow. Huh? I mean, they're trying. Like, this is definitely a two-layer now. There's no... Wow. This is unreal. Did you already drive this way before?
I just drove around the neighborhood.
No. You can't even see where the snow ends on this side.
People would drive their headlights on.
God. Yeah, I see why the mall's closed. That lane's gone. Oh, Mike, you're gonna run into the snow.
Oh, the truck will let me know that.
Oh, God. Wow. I feel like a retard going out in this. Well, they told people to probably, if they don't need to go out, don't go out.
They say that for your own safety. In other words, if you don't know how to drive in the snow and you don't realize that when you're out in this kind of weather you have to drive extra carefully, they can't say that to people because people are stupid. So they basically just say, you don't have to be out on the road, don't be on the road. Because then no one can whine and say, well, you didn't tell me not to go out on the road, and I went out, and well, the roads are really bad, and I hit something, and it's your fault because you didn't tell me not to go out. Like, common sense people. All you have to do is exercise a little bit of common sense.
Almost looks like they didn't even have to do the bridge. It's like it all blew off. This is worse than the last snowstorm, I think.
Yeah, well, almost 60 centimeters.
Considering we went to work at noon the next day.
You've got to realize we've already got a pile of snow on the ground, then we get 60 centimeters on top of that. I mean, 60 centimeters by itself is a lot of snow. But on top of the pile that we already had,
Like, where are you gonna park?
that's why I took my card for work. Because I'm guaranteed they'll have that plowed out.
Why don't you drive by it first to see if it's even open?
I'm going to try, but you won't be able to see. I'm going to turn up on cord.
Is that the spot for the...
You want it on the floor?
I down the floor. Well, I put it up. It's up at the top too.
I don't know.
Or do you want me just mainly have it at the top?
Oh, I don't care.
Well, I don't know what
Just
this
to-
truck's like.
We'll find out. I'm not used to it either, so...
Is your work open?
Oh, yeah, it's a paper.
No. Your work.
Oh, I will drive by it.
I know mine isn't. Snow,
The park-
even the snow dump's not even plowed. Fonda's is not open. Nope.
Fuck.
It's like, oh, fuck, he says.
Oh,
She ain't that crazy.
Well, I suppose you can't get to it.
Nope. You can get to the White Cap entrance. Okay. I don't think he's stuck. I think he's just...
Well, at least you left his four ways on.
Yes.
I'm driving a vehicle and I'm not gonna get stuck in.
But you can't see.
That's why you creep out. I've got a big truck, so yeah. That's why I'm out in a big truck, because people get out of a big truck's way.
Here we go. They got that part kind of plowed out. Oh my god. There's barely anybody there.
Oh yeah, like
It's pretty dead there today. Oh my god, this is like almost a one. That's a one-laner. There's no way to be. Oh my god.
That's why I'm out in my truck. Like I said, need be I can drive in the snowbanks.
I'm not getting you. I'm not getting you out pushing you.
If I get stuck, I call Bill. It's that simple.
It's probably not even plowed out.
Well, it's very simple. If I get stuck, I call Bill, and either he shows up or it gives me the number of somebody who will come and help me pull the car out, truck out. Because if I get the truck stuck, it's stuck, like really stuck. Oh my god, it's crazy going down the road. So look at this one. Of course I'm gonna go straight. Like I said, take your time. I'm not in a hurry to go anywhere. The guy here that's shoveling his driveway out left just enough room for me to fit, so good.
Yeah. Well, before we go home, I definitely want to get a tea. I have a free tea. Add some TVs or something.
There'll be one that's open, I'm sure.
I'm not going to go on my way to go find one.
I don't think it'll be difficult. Love the ones that left the garbage out though. It's like, yeah, they're not picking
Well,
garbage.
the city told them not to.
I know, and they put it out anyway. There's actually somebody's garbage that seagulls got into it, so